broken seat at Hilal Stadium in the Sudan. The Regional Football Council (CECAFA) has fined South Sudan after its football fans invaded the field and broke chairs at Sudan Al Hilal Stadium on November 8. The Council of East and Central Africa Football Association has slapped the country with a fine of $1,000 and compensation for material damage over the fan misconduct during the semi-final against Ethiopia. This was after the national U20 football team defeated the Ethiopian counterpart on penalty shootout on Tuesday, November 8, to qualify for the final. The following day, pictures showing broken seat at the Hilal Stadium were widely circulated on social media, prompting investigation from the CECAFA. The decision has been made yesterday by CECAFA disciplinary committee after the St. March report indicated that South Sudan invaded the stadium after the final whistles. South Sudanese fans jumped over the barrier fence and entered to the pitch of the play after the final whistle. The spectator seats were broken while the pitch perimeter was damaged. Read the finding of CECAFA investigation. According to official communication from CECAFA, the decision was made in accordance with the CAF Disciplinary Code 2018. In that regard, after consideration of the security report, the disciplinary committee take note of the violation of the CAF regulation by the South Sudanese spectators. Read the email seen. According to Article 151 of the CAF Disciplinary Code 2018, national federations are held responsible for the behavior of their supporters, especially with regard to throwing missiles and invading the pitch. The CECAFA Disciplinary Committee considered that South Sudanese has violated the above-mentioned rules and regulations. As a result, South Sudan Football Association has been fined to pay for all damage that occurred on the spectator seats that were broken and the internal field fence was damaged. In addition, South Sudan was fined an amount of $1,000 by the CECAFA, the South Sudan Football Association, the Sudan Football Governing Body, and Al Hilal FC are yet to comment on the matters. Thank you for watching.